Welcome to We'll Take a Break. Fear unboxing a retro toothbrush. This is P11. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh yeah! Now open it. Wow, it's so pretty. This is the series. This must be the toothbrush. Let's open it. Wow, a toothbrush and a charger. This must be the toothbrush. Right. So there's a bag on here.
How many are inside?
1, 2, 3. 3 are inside. Let's open the charging cable. Come on, this one. Why is it not opening? There's just 3. There's 3.
So this toothbrush actually has a proprietary charging cable. So you need this over here to plug in the bottom of the toothbrush, and it goes to USB. And what's really cool is they give you this little adapter here. It has a USB-C on one end, a USB, and those micro USB on the other end. Traveling and you're missing like a charging cable, you can actually plug this in and charge your phone at the same time.
Let's do the toothbrush now. Wow!
Okay, let's see what's inside, AZ.
Okay. Toothbrush! Now, the other thing?
Yep, so over here we have the actual toothbrush. Has a nice handle. Is it go?
The instructions.
Yep, with instructions over here. And this is the charging port where you charge the toothbrush. And it comes with a travel case. Guess how many toothbrushes are inside?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You think there's 5 inside?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open it up. Alright, there's one right here, 2 right here, 3, 4. Yeah, so there's only 4 here. But then it actually came with 8 total. So 3 in the other box, and I actually opened one myself earlier because I'm actually using this toothbrush. So it comes with 8 total toothbrushes.
I thought there were 5.
Yeah, but you guessed one too many. So the travel case, you can actually put this right inside. It's really convenient. See how it goes together?
Yeah.
So toothbrush and this toothbrush head and the bottom goes like this. It's just like a Sonicare toothbrush, and it's almost the same head because I can actually use a Sonicare toothbrush head, but it doesn't go all the way down. It kind of sits on top here like this. But for this one, it goes snug. You're gonna press it. The first mode is clean. Second mode, you press it again. That's gonna be gentle. And the last one, it's gonna be massage. So it goes back and forth. You see like the brush head on top, and it's changing back and forth. You're gonna hear what AZ said earlier. This is a Fairywill P11 electric toothbrush. So it's similar to Sonicare. It's actually also a sonic powerful electronic toothbrush. Has won the Red Dot Award for 2020 for the design of this. So what Red Dot Award is actually a German international design prize. So it has 62,000 VPC motor, which is actually what Sonicare claims as well. The best part about this toothbrush is the price. So on Amazon.ca you can buy this for $59.99 and usually comes with a $10 coupon. So it brings it down to $49.99 before tax. So this is really extreme value. A brush head, a travel case, an awesome toothbrush for $50 Canadian. I had previously had a Sonicare toothbrush, but those have been breaking on me like after 2 years or so, after the warranty has expired. So even if this dies out after like a year and a half or two, I can buy it again for $60 compared to traditional Sonicare ones, which are like $150, $200. Yeah, so this is awesome value. What do you like about the toothbrush?
The toothbrush head.
The toothbrush head. What do you like about the toothbrush head?
It cleans your teeth.
It cleans your teeth. Do you have clean teeth, AZ? Do you have clean teeth?
Yeah.
Alright, show the camera.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the boxing. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Let's take a break. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the boxing. I can't say that one.